Frankie, stop taking the water from Emo. Emo kitty's drinking water. Frankie, what are you doing? You gonna get that water? Gonna get that water, Frankie? Are you thirsty too? Emo kitty. Hi, are you drinking water? Hey, Emo kitty. Frankie kept on taking the can of water from her. Just stick her paw in there and pull it right from her. Right, Frankie? Emo kitty's so thirsty. You're a good listener. Thank you for listening to me, Frankie. I'll make sure you get some water too. Don't pout. Hey, Frankie. Frankie. Look at me. No, you're Emo kitty, not Frankie. Frankie. Look. Hi. Why are you pouting? Because I told you not to take the can from Emo? You can go get some water. Just don't be a pig. Right? Emo kitty will share. Right, Emo kitty? Frankie, what's the matter? What's the matter? Why are you grouchy? Frankie. Where's your toy? Where's that mousey? Where's that mouse? Where'd you put it? Where'd you put your mouse? Oh, your mouse went under the door. Is that why you're being grumpy? Get it away. That's what was the matter. Now where are you going? Emo kitty's gonna steal a toy. Emo kitty, are you playing? What would happen if I take your toy? I won't take it. Frankie, are you gonna take Emo's toy? Aw, you're sharing. That's nice. Are you and Frankie your turn? Frankie, it's your turn. Hey. There you go. You guys are good. Good kitties. Where'd it go? You got it. Emo kitty's just gonna drink some more water. Emo kitty. Emo kitty. Frankie! Where did Frankie go? Did you go in with the dogs? Okay. took your toy. Oh. Now what are you going to take from Emo? The toy or the water? Oh, Frankie, you're such a good kitty cat. Frankie, you could drink out of the can too. Oh, there she goes, sliding the can away from Emo so she could drink from it. Did you take that can? Did you take the can, Frankie? Are you sad, Emo? Emo? Emo's not mean enough to take the can from Frankie. Frankie will just take the can though. Right, Frankie? Yes, I'm giving you water in a peanut can. Aren't you special? Yeah, just slide it closer to your fat head. There could only be one cat head in the can at a time. He's a good kitty. He's a good kitty. You guys are being nice today. You guys are being nice to each other. Frankie, put your paws in the water. Alright, say goodnight, kitties. Frankie. Emo said goodnight. He's a good kitty.